All right, y'all, what is good, everybody on YouTube? So as you can see from the title and thumbnail, yes, we did get the Black Cat 3s a little bit earlier, but we also about to head to Dubai here, and the package here, we're gonna unbox it. We gotta go. So we're gonna make this quick. I ain't gonna take up too much of y'all time. So alright, so make sure y'all can't see some of this packaging, but let's get it in. We got the box here. We need to unbox this. Wifey's coming. I already got everything packed up, 99%. But look, I'm excited. Like I said in my last video, these are grills. Hold on, let me grab this tripod. All right, y'all, like I said, we gotta make this quick. It has a Nike box, which we'll talk about that here in a second. Oh my gosh. This is a Christmas miracle right here. That is a Christmas miracle in itself. Early Christmas present. All right, so this is a 5Y. So let's talk about it. 5Y. We're gonna change it there so you can see. This is a size 5Y Black Cat 3s, y'all. Look, I don't have time. She said our driver gonna be in 7 minutes. We leaving in 7 minutes. I got stuff dropping. Black Cat 3s. Oh my gosh. We got them in, y'all. Black Cat 3s live in the flesh. So Nordstrom for some reason dropped these early. Got the bottom. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, for some reason Nordstrom dropped these early. And then when I got the notification that they came in, it was a Nike box and I was kind of confused. So apparently these came directly from Nike. So yeah, Black Cat 3s. Let's take a look at another shoe. I'm very hyped for this release, y'all. 2025 is going to be a crazy year. We got white cement 4s, black metallic 5s. They said the Black Cat 4s are also supposed to release this year too. Y'all let me know in the comment section, is this a shoe that you are seeking to purchase when they release January 11th? Y'all let me know. I don't really got that much time, y'all. So yeah, I guess y'all can see a little bit more of us leaving. We're going to have to leave these here. These are not going with us. So first things first, I'm going to talk about them just a little bit. So you do have the leopard print laces. I feel like that should have been in the Black Cat 4s. Jumpman on the tongue. Jumpman Air on the back as well. On the bottom, you have an all black 3 outsole with the white Jordan branded. It might be different. Remember, this is a gray school pair. So patent leather going around the mid to toe box here. All black elephant prints. And yeah, y'all, I can't really get too much B-roll. I should have did this video a lot earlier. They got dropped off at the house a lot sooner. But yeah, y'all let me know in the comment section below. Are y'all copping? Are y'all dropping? Let me know, man. I'm gonna put these away. Actually, I'm gonna get a picture real quick. Black Cat 3s, man. Need that picture. Gotta get that picture, post it on the gram. And then yeah, we gonna wrap this up here. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna take y'all with us. Come on, we're gonna go to the airport real quick. Hey, y'all fly with us. Let's go.
We can run away if we want.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we have made it to our destination. We here in Dubai, man. But I know we was talking about Black Cat 3s, but since y'all here, we do need to go to the mall real quick. Once wifey actually wakes up, we gotta go to the mall to see if they got them Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows still in the store. The last time we was here, right after we left, they had SB Jordan 4s just sitting here in Dubai. So we're gonna take y'all, see if they have any there, see what shoes they do have, and go from there, and then wrap up this video. Let y'all go about y'all day. Appreciate y'all for sticking around. But yeah, let's go. All right, y'all. So as you can see, we out here in Dubai. So before we wrap up this Black Cement 3 unboxing, we gotta take out to the mall, man. We gonna go to the Jordan store. I might do another video.
Let's hope they got some Travis Scott sitting. We'll
Yeah.
pay the retail.
Well, yeah, because the retail is more than what retail is in the United States.
Because they pay import taxes.
Yes, but I would pay that. And we got enough space to take it back.
Yeah, we sure do.
So, we going to the mall now, and we gonna see. They came out Saturday. It's Wednesday. Hopefully they got a late shipment. And they sitting, not necessarily sitting. I'm gonna ask somebody if they sitting in the back. And then we gonna hope. So, fingers crossed. We'll get it.
We can run away if we want to.
Oh, it took us a while to find a spot, but we found one. Let's go in.
I'm finally free.
Oh, they was putting it out. Travis, it's too small for your sister too. She don't want them anyway.
I made $260 for resale.
Yeah, because you can basically go back home and get them. Look at these too. Sheesh. Olive nines.
I have 9 silk everywhere. So they selling for 1,000.
1,000 AED.
1,000. They just
Yeah, no.
273.
Yeah, I think they got these sitting on Nike too. I'm on my Air 3s. Super comfortable shoe, I'm not gonna lie to you. I wasn't a big fan of this colorway.
No.
Oh, they had it in a bigger size. I don't know. I'm not feeling
it. It looks
this.
so beat up.
Yeah.
Of course they got
It's amazing. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is crazy. Bro, we really in Dubai. Well, we already been here before, but it's just, I don't know, y'all. Like, it's Christmas time. Look, let me tell y'all. We didn't do any gift giving this year, because typically throughout the whole entire year, we get stuff for each other all year long. So I guess you could consider this a gift, traveling, because not a lot of people were able to travel this year, so they at the house with family, that's fine. But you know, this is just what we do for holidays and stuff like that. Like the materialistic stuff, like yeah, it's cool, but you know, experiences like this is like I'm literally looking at the Burj Khalifa, fam. It's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everybody. So by the time you see this, Merry Christmas. If you see it afterwards, hopefully you had a great Christmas with family. Yeah, I'm here to wrap up the video. I'm glad that you stuck around this long, because you could have clicked off as soon as I got done talking about the shoes. Black Cat 3s. It's a great shoe, man. Y'all definitely want to make sure y'all get y'all hands on them when they do come out, because January 11th is the release day, y'all. Look, I know I showed that size 5Y, but we also had another grade school size that my wife had went ahead and grabbed from Nordstrom whenever they released them early. So when we get back, we'll talk about them. We're going to be in Dubai until like, I want to say until New Year's. I think we leave either New Year's Day or we leave January 2nd. So one of the two. So all of this to really plug the Getaway with the Groves channel. So make sure you subscribe to that channel. I'd very much so appreciate that. And then yeah, let's talk about when we went to the mall. So earlier, when we went to the mall, as you saw, it was a bunch of stuff that's already been sitting like on shelves inside of malls across America, right? But here in Dubai, they did have the Jumpman Jacks, the mocha ones. Boy, I'm not gonna hold you. If that was my size, definitely would have grabbed it, even with the high retail price, because I want to say it was like 270-ish US dollars when they retailed in the United States for 200. But I mean, if it's a shoe that kind of goes for a little bit of money on the resale market, you might as well grab them because you're going to save more money that way. You feel me? But ended up leaving them, but that's cool. It was a size 5.5 Y or 5.5 in men's, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, 5.5 in men's. Had to leave it there, but at least y'all got to see it. I do want to do another video where we're going to shop around in the Dubai Mall. We're gonna go to all of the sneaker stores. So if you looking forward to seeing that, go ahead, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, Get Away with the Grows. It's our travel channel. Right now, I only have a few of the Italy vlogs from this past summer. Your boy got a little busy. I'm going to try to get better next year, all right? That's my New Year's resolution, is consistency. So this next year upcoming, I want to be more consistent with the videos, especially with doing 2 channels. There's a lot of time that I waste on other things that I could be putting it towards my craft. So I'm going to start making time for those things so I can see more results out of what I'm putting all this energy and effort into on the side. So yeah, outside of that, I'm gone, y'all. If y'all want to see the rest of the vlogs for while we here in Dubai, let me see. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. If y'all want to see the rest of what we do while we here, you got to subscribe, man. Gotta subscribe. Head over to that Get Away with the Groves channel. Follow me on Instagram. Actually, follow me on Instagram. I post stories so you can at least see what we up to on a daily basis before the videos actually get uploaded, because we're still trying to enjoy ourselves too, man. But yeah, I'm gone. It's your boy Moody checking out. Merry Christmas all the way from Dubai. And then yeah, I'm gone.